Arbitrary arrest and imprisonment, harassment of opposition, civil society and critical media. Amnesty International has issued a report on Monday which provides a harsh assessment of violation of freedom of expression in Ivory Coast. The NGO notes that 7 years after the post-election crisis that claimed the lives of 3,000 people, Ivory Coast's economic growth contrasts sharply with the fragile human rights situation in the country. Since 2014, the report notes that at least 17 arbitrary detentions of journalists and bloggers have been recorded, not to mention the National Press Council's sanction against media outlets which are critical of the authorities. The Ivorian government is also accused of systematically not applying justice by avoiding the prosecution of former rebels close to President Ouattara. Amnesty notes, for example, that those responsible for the deaths of more than 800 people in Western Ivory Coast have never been prosecuted. In an interview on Radio France Internationale on Monday, President Alassane Ouattara refused to comment on the acquittal of his predecessor Laurent Gbagbo, but said that the country continues its investigations to find out who are behind the deaths of 3,000 people during the post-election crisis of 2010 and 2011.